And time check, 6:30 in the morning. I want to share with you what do I prepare for my husband's breakfast and for my husband's lunch, because he's already going to work. So daily I'm cooking for him. So I think it's much better that I would prepare it for him because I know what he is eating. So here I am. So that's his baonan. And then last night I already prepared this one for him. It's a hard-boiled egg, chicken breast, salami, cheeses, crackers, and then some grapes. This is for the breakfast. And I'm going to be cooking satarash and chicken hamburger. So today is Monday. I'm going to share with you guys what I cook for the whole week for my husband's meal, breakfast and lunch. I really do wake up early and I sleep late because I have some work, but it's worth it that he brings his lunch, his food, so I know what he likes to eat and I can prepare him different foods. That's onion, tomato, and then that's paprika. And like that. So I'm gonna also give him some cake from our friend last night, because it was his birthday, so it's gonna be a dessert for him, a little only. So that's the sour cream. Just gonna give him a little for his satarash. Like that. So he will have sour cream. Oh, sorry. Satarash with meat. And that's for him. And then this one, 2 slices of chicken burger. So I guess that's it for him. And sour cream. Yes, then dessert cake from last night, and then I need to put 2 or 3 slices of bread, but he usually eat only 2, so now he said 2 only, so 2 only. And then I put the utensils with tissue right here. That he will be ready, good to go. Then to make sure that it will not spill or anything, put it here. Yeah. This is the breakfast of hubby. That one. So I have it here. And then I make sure I bring salt for him. I don't have those pouches, so this one is the salt because he has kaimak. Oh, not this one. No, not just this one. And then put it in the bag like this. It's a lock. This one. That one. The breakfast is locked. And sour cream. This one, the bread, the dessert, and then sour cream, and he's good to go for his. I told him do not take picture of me because I'm not. I just woke up and prepared his breakfast, so that's his breakfast on the go and lunch.